Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing your like history on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Instagram saves a list of every post that you have liked. Here is how to see it. Launch Instagram. Tap your profile icon from the bottom right menu. Tap the three lines icon from the top right of your profile page, and then select Settings. In Settings, select Account. In Account Settings, tap Posts you've liked. Here is a list of every post that you've ever liked. You can unlike posts here if you wish, and they will be removed from the list. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.